If you want to find out what someone's personality type is, there's just one thing you need to know. Are you clear on what it is that you're trying to find out? So many people learn about personality tests such as MBTI and get caught up analyzing the characteristics of each personality type, but don't actually put this information into practice in everyday scenarios. In reality, you want to use the information you have and use it to your advantage. So for example, let's say you want to get a raise at work. Your boss is an ENTJ, and your ENTJs appreciate people that are honest, hardworking, and are able to produce results consistently. And because you know what your boss types as, you don't have to do things that they don't care about. So for example, you don't have to kiss their ass to get on their good side. You know the only thing your boss cares about is performance and your ability to produce results for their organization. So you focus on that aspect, which increases your chances of getting promoted. And because you're clear on what you want, you can use all the aspects you know about ENTJs to your advantage, including their weaknesses. For example, one of the biggest weaknesses that ENTJs have is that they tend to bulldoze people with their opinions and beliefs. And as a result, that doesn't leave a lot of room for negotiations or other perspectives. And in a board meeting with many affluent individuals, such as other businessmen, acting that way isn't going to impress them. In fact, it's going to turn them off, because it's going to make the ENTJ seem arrogant, as though they're a know-it-all. But let's say you are someone who is more level-headed, and so you have the temperament to act as an advisor for your boss. And so when your boss says something that seems pushy, you can step in and soften their words so that they don't offend anyone. You use your strengths to cover your boss's weaknesses, and in turn, you impress your boss even further with the skills and abilities you have that they do not. And now, how much more likely are you to get that raise when you're able to demonstrate how valuable you are? So the biggest secret when it comes to typing someone is knowing how you can use that information to your advantage. And by knowing someone's type, you can basically mind control them without them ever realizing it. You can delve into their psyche and know exactly what they'll do before they do it. You can get people to perform favors for you and even take your side and argue on your behalf when it comes to conflict. Although I do advocate this information for good intentions, so please use it responsibly. If you are looking for someone to help you find out someone's personality type and give you a rundown of how you can use that information to benefit you in your personal and business life, I do offer consultations, and for those of you that are interested, the link is down in the description. Other than that, I hope you got a ton of value out of this. You are beautiful. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.